Hello, man. Welcome to my channel, Global Effect 1969. Right here, up here. Look, yep, that's the channel right there. Today I'm gonna be making you some pancakes. We're making me some pancakes, but I'm gonna show you how to make the pancakes where they come out nice and fluffy. Because sometimes when you make pancakes, they come out real flat, almost like tortilla-like and kind of chewy. And I'm gonna show you how to make it where they come out fluffy, and it's real simple. Many people don't know how simple it is to make them come out real fluffy. And when you mix the batter, basically all you gotta do is barely mix the batter. When you mix this with the water, whatever you're making. This one right here is the Pearl Milling Company original pancake mix, and this one you only use water and the pancake mix to make it with. But no matter which pancake mix you use, all you gotta do is barely mix the mix to make it fluffy. All right, first off, I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the burner where I'm gonna cook it on. Get it nice and hot, because you want it nice and hot when you're gonna make the pancake. And then after it's done, get nice and warm there. I probably just spray some of this on there. You can put butter, whichever you prefer, but I'm gonna just spray some of this butter flavor grease on there. I'll spray it on there, and then we'll make the pancake from there. Okay, now that I got the burner going, what I'm gonna make right here. It calls for 2 cups of dry mix, which I'll be putting in there. Put my hand here because I don't want it to overspill. I don't want it to come out all over the place there. Right there, I got 2 cups of dry mix. What I do, I'll just put it in the bowl. Kind of stir it up a little bit, get the little bit of clumps out of there. Next, get yourself a 1.5 cups of water. You want 1.5 cups of water. Pour it in there. Now this is the trick to making the pancakes. Stir it up a little bit, not too much. Just mix it a little bit there. You'll see a lot of bubbles and kind of clumpy there, but that's what you want, see? Get rid of all the powder on the side. Make sure it all gets wet. There you go. Now look at that. See how it looks kind of clumpy and kind of bubbly in there? That's what you want. You don't want to over mix it, because then they'll come out like tortillas. We're gonna make the pancakes now. I'm gonna use this right here to scoop it up with. Okay, now that I got it on there, I'm gonna go ahead and spray it's pretty hot already, so I'm gonna spray me some of this. Be careful you're spraying this, don't burn yourself. You can put butter or whatever, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna scoop it up with this right here. Get about that much. Just drop it on there, and it should come out nice and fluffy there. I'll make me 2 at a time. You see all them holes and stuff? That means it's gonna come out fluffy because you didn't overmix the batter. Because if you would have overmixed the batter, then it would have come out. You wouldn't even see those holes, and then when you cook it, it's gonna look all flat like a tortilla. Once you start seeing these bubbles form right there, and start drying up a little, and it's time to flip it. So cook it for maybe like a 1.5 minutes on the first side, and then a minute on the second side. Because it's been about 1.5 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and flip it. Give it a flip. See how that come out so nice? And it's all thick, man. This one's a little bit less, but we'll flip that one too, and it's ready to go. Look at that. That's nice. Woo-hoo. Alright, I didn't set no timer, nothing, but I think that's almost like about a minute. Take a look at it. Yeah, see, that looks nice. That's ready right there. I'll put this one first. That nice and thick pancake right there. Now I'm gonna make 2 more. Spray it again. Put about the same amount of batter. Right there, it's starting to thicken up right there. Starting to cook. Coming out pretty good there. Okay, you see the bubbles start forming on the outside edge. It's already starting to dry up. You see the bubbles, that means it's going to be fluffy. Now remember, if you over mix it, you won't see the bubbles. It'll end up looking flat like a tortilla. That right there is good enough to go ahead and flip. That's about a minute and a half I had it. And now you want to put it for about a minute more to cook right there. And get my plate ready right here. Don't put your plate on and burn. I'm using a paper plate right here. And I'm going to put butter on it so it can come out even tastier. Alright, let me go get the butter and the pancake mix, man. Alright, that's basically done. What I did when I go get the, yeah, you flip it, look how that looks done. That looks good right there. I'm gonna go ahead and flip it this way. Yep. I'm gonna put the hot side on top. Give me some butter. Put it on there. Put that there. Give me the syrup. Put some syrup on there. Just put however much. Just put as much as you like on there. It's up to you. Get the other pancake. I guess I can turn it on this side since I had it down on the burner there, and that side can be hotter now. Give me some more butter there. Yeah, that's pretty hot. Melt that butter on there. Make sure you turn off your burner. Don't leave it on. A little bit. Okay, and then put some more syrup on. That's my wife trying to stir the syrup while I'm making this video. That'll snag it away from her. And there you go. You got a nice pancake there. This one's like really full of syrup. That should come out pretty good right there. Oh yeah, that looks good. All right, now I'm gonna give it a try. It cuts real easy. That's good, man. Yep. Don't let it sit too long because it'll get soggy because it's like a sponge, man. So you want them big and fluffy. Make sure you don't mix the batter too much. If you mix it too much, the batter is gonna come out flat like a tortilla. Right here, I don't know if you can see it, but right here, look how fluffy they look. And then, actually like this, if you let them sit, I let them sit a little bit too long, so I'm adjusting the camera, but it really soaks up that pancake. I mean that syrup. Soaks up the syrup like crazy and gets it all wet. It didn't take too long to eat them. It works like a sponge. I guess that all depends how you like them. You like them fluffy like that, or if you like them where they're more or less flat. Okay, now I'm gonna show you. This is the same batter right here, but I'm gonna mix it real good. This is the way I used to make them. I was like mix and mix like crazy like that, because I thought they were supposed to be mixed like that. And then I wonder why mine kept coming out real flat, like tortillas. I'm used to like when you mix Kool-Aid and stuff, you know, you want to mix that thing real good, so I thought you were supposed to do that. But if you do that, it gets all the bubbles out of there. The batter gets real thin. You see, I barely got any left here from making the mother pancakes. Got to spray this, man. I'm gonna put the batter on there. Now remember, this time I mixed it like crazy, so it's not gonna come out as fluffy. You see, right away, it just went right on there and just started spreading out like that. You don't even see all the little holes in it like you did on the other one. Starting to cook right now, but you see how it looks all flat? It don't even look like the other one. It looked all fluffy at first. Starting to puff up a little there. You see the holes starting to come out now. I can't flip it yet because it's still all wet right there. You gotta let it dry up a little bit. Okay, here I come back. That one's ready to flip too. But you see how it don't look nothing like the other one. It just looks all flat, almost like a tortilla. There's still a little fluffy there, but it don't look as good as the other one did. It looks like it's got a freckle there. There it is. It's a piece of the other pancake that's dried right there. So about a minute and a half on the first side, and about a minute on the second side. And then when I'm on the last one, what I normally do, right about there, just wait a little bit, and what I do, I just go ahead and turn the burner off already so I don't forget. I mean, it's already hot enough right there. Actually, if you look at it, okay, it's already done. Not as fluffy as the other one, but it's still a pancake. And if you got stuff to do, don't push down like this, man, like I'm doing, because it kind of messes it up. But if you got something to do, you might want them a little bit thinner like this, so it don't soak up the pancake sauce. I mean, what do you call it? The syrup, the pancake syrup. They don't soak up the pancake syrup so fast. On the other one, I was adjusting the camera, but by the time I went to eat it, it was already freaking soaked with the syrup, man. But there you go. That's a nice little pancake there too. Not as fluffy as the other one, but it's there. See that? Woo, that's hot. not as fluffy. You still see the holes, but it's not so fluffy. It's like kind of harder right there. But that's a good pancake to eat too. I'll eat that off camera. Alright, what I wanted to show you here, I'm gonna lift this part out. See how I cut it? It's not so fluffy like the other one was. And there wasn't much batter on this one. There wasn't much batter left to make this one, which when I poured it in there, it should have actually came out smaller and a lot fluffier. But like I mixed it quite a bit, it came out kind of flattish compared to the other one. I mean, it's still good, and they don't soak up the syrup as fast as the other one does. When you make them fluffier, they soak up the syrup real fast, so if you don't eat them right away, they're going to get soggy. This one you can put the syrup on and walk away for a little bit and come back and eat it. And it won't be all soggy compared to the other one I ate earlier. There you go, man. Anyway, go check out my other videos. I got more videos you can watch. You can watch this video right here, or you can watch this video right here. Just pick. This one's about eating, and this one's gonna be other videos I got. You can click on this one, it'll take you to other videos that I got on there. Or you can click on this one over here. And this is another eating video right here. Food video, and this one right there. Click on this one, it'll take you to a bunch of other videos I got. Later. Thanks for watching.